Welcome to White Hat Zone, your home for clean, ethical trading education and structured social trading insights. Today, we're breaking down social trading in simple terms and how it gives beginners access to real trading discipline while keeping full control of their own accounts. Social trading is straightforward. You open your own segregated A-book broker account, you connect it to a trader you trust through secure software, and when they take a trade, your account mirrors that action automatically. You decide your risk, your settings, and you can disconnect at any time. The control stays with you. It's important to understand what social trading is not. It's not giving your money to someone else, it's not joining a signal group where you chase trades manually, and it's not a managed account or anything resembling pooled funds. Your account remains yours. This is simply technology copying professional decision making. Most beginners lose because they trade emotionally without structure or experience. Social trading allows you to learn by watching disciplined professionals in real time. You get to see how they manage risk, how they handle losing periods, and how consistency actually looks in the real world. At White Hat Zone, we study traders who have demonstrated consistency over long periods of time. A few selects would include the Golden Edge, for example, who is known for steady, controlled performance. Aurum brings beautiful consistency and very powerful gold trading in the gold markets. And Convexus trades NAS 100 with a high energy style but exceptional risk to reward. Now, these are examples, are education only. Past results are never a guarantee of future performance. The most important part of social trading is this: you remain in full control. Your broker account stays in your name, you choose your risk settings, and you can pause or disconnect instantly. It's education and technology working together without giving anyone access to your funds. So if you want to understand social trading from the inside out, how it works, how risk is managed, and how to choose the right traders to follow, click the link below and unlock the White Hat Zone Learning Center for free. Trade smart, trade ethical, trade White Hat.